Alrighty, so like I never thought I'd be, you know, putting together, our celestial sky with the matrix numerically, but I am. Alright, so one thing I've noticed, okay, is Jupiter. Let's start with Jupiter. Alright, so we're all seeing this, right? Excellent. Okay, so Jupiter. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is a big old 10, followed by a 21, followed by a 16, followed by a 9, followed by 20, followed by a 5, followed by an 18. I'm hoping. Uh, okay. That's Jupiter. What this teaches me is that a 1 is a 0, okay? And a 2 is a 1, because these two are 1. And 6 is complete, makes like a 7. Creation happens fractally on the 6th of everything, because completion is a circled 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Completion. You start a new 69 because you're starting a new galaxy of duality. In the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the middle, guy. You're making a V. Anyway. You're starting anew, okay? And with the knowledge that a 1 is a 0, 2 is a 1, circled 6 is a complete, 69 is starting of a new creation. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Now, what does that mean? It means, quite frankly, the path changes. What? Okay, let's just use the old way I used to do it. Okay, I used to do this. And then when we got to here, that's where everything starts to change, right? So I'm thinking maybe we do both. Maybe we got to navigate around Saturn's rings to make a quarter of the pie, go down, drop in here. Okay, but we need to learn something. Need to know how to make a V. Okay, and this to me is kind of like your, like your 9 3 9 6 9 3 9 6, your vortex math kind of. But, but anyway, you need to know you have to make a V. You have to make a V between a 6 and an 8 to make your 14, which is complete. More complete. And think then, if you bypass the infinite knot and don't get sucked down the black hole, okay, your 8 ball, don't fall for the 8 ball trick, okay? And if you fall for the green life, pool, table's green, the next one down then would be our third dimensional Earth consciousness. A little 1x3. Which turns out to be, a 1x5 because of 5 to 1. And then and only then did the page, I believe, flip, and then we get our rainbow bridge of like, I don't know, one of those and like one of those and like one of those, one of those, one of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that was horrible. Messed up the rainbow. 6. 7. Okay. You're friggin' I had Brussels sprouts for supper today with rice. Your Brussels sprouts cut in half. Your menorah. I'm gonna leave it there. You know what? Both. There. So like that might be kind of like the mathematics of how to actually like fold in these. Okay. Like you have 7 colors, okay, and you have 5 cells that you're splitting. Okay, obviously the first one and the last one are going to be shared, which means there's 3 in the middle. Now, how many points do you need? You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Ah, that's interesting. Let me do resize. View. I know we're running out of time. Okay. So if these 2 cells are going to be halved, that means it'll fade away once it reaches the end of the 0. So we don't have to worry about the end of the 0. But the red spectrum, it'll blend eventually and become purple again. You know what I mean? It'll come back to itself. So at the end of a rainbow, the inside dot looks really, really like mauve. Okay? Now, again, we're trying to solve for the, shit. For the 1 by 9 at the end, ultimately. That's horrible. That one, okay? So, what I'm talking about now would be letting the red go free, letting the red go free towards the mauve, okay, from the 0, having the orange then separate the 0 and the 1, okay, having the yellow separate the 1 and the 1, I'm just thinking out loud, having the green separate the 3 from the 1, having the blue separate the 1 from the 3, having the blue separate the 7 from the 1. I know I'm running out of time. And the 7, the 1, the last one would be between the 1 and the 7, or would I let it bleed? Well, the last one just bleeds. The last one just bleeds. So those are your 7 vials of Revelation 16. Revelation 16 is uncovering this Revelation 16 right here from the next 69. Yin and yang. It makes a circled 15, which then creates a 16. An 11, 11. All these things. Ugh. Anyway, so that's the new path in which energy needs in order to fold the 1 by 5 here onto itself with the other 1 by 5. Come on. Really? 1 by 5. Worst mouse in the world, guys. But anyways, it's what folds it here. Oh my god, guy. It's what folds it here. Every single row gets folded like this. Kind of like menorah, pine tree, whatever. Okay? The book, again, yeah. The book closes, guys. You can open the book. He who is worthy to open the book. Okay? So, anyways, that's all I wanted to document there, I guess.